Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace Volkswagen Routan key fob battery. The battery you will need is CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Your key fob may look a little bit different, you may have 4 or 5 or maybe 2 buttons, but it's the same process, same battery, same key fob. Alright, so first we have to make sure we have to take the key, emergency key out. We do that by moving this button to the left, right here, and pull the key out. Okay, now what we have to do is, as you can see, there is a small slot right here, this one. So what I do, I just take a screwdriver right here and I pull up. Okay, once again, this slot right here, small screwdriver, and I pull up and the key fob opens. Okay, so we take the cover, open it to 2. As you can see, this is the key, the chip right here, and this is the battery. So underneath, as I said, CR2032. Now this is a good battery, so I will use it again. Put it face down, just like that. Put back the cover. Put the emergency key back. And that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Let us know what you think. Thank you.